I just came.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I thought it was 2 o'clock. Her class was at 2, I thought. So I was prepared for 2 o'clock. And I'm here, Sabah.
No, she's just gone to get
Okay,
something.
okay.
Sabah,
Hi,
your
Salita.
video is off.
Anita, please, you,
Yes.
before matlab, starting of the bouquet and everything, then only you will leave.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. No, yeah. So, okay, can you switch your video on? We can't see you, Sabah. Your
Yes.
video's off. Hi, Nilima. Nice to see you. I'm seeing you after the
Can you adjust?
granny show.
You will do it. Hi,
You're on
Anita.
mute. Hi. Hey, Rhoda. Yeah, I was
Hi.
calling you yesterday. You didn't pick up my call.
इधर से कैमरा कर दो.
Are we supposed to be only the VIP is going to be on the video? We are all supposed to be behind the screen. Why everyone is?
Yeah,
Wow.
I know. See that everybody is not. Maybe they're in bed taking a nap.
Resting, Baba. We get up so early in the morning, need little rest after lunch.
Yeah, right. So, Rhoda, I was trying to call you yesterday. Can you?
So I can happily lie down and watch.
Rhoda, are you listening?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll be calling you in the evening. Please pick up my call.
What time you have to tell me, because I have somebody died and I'm on a memoriam from 7.
I'll call you before that. I'll call you by 5:30.
Okay.
So she's got her bouquet coming up. Huh?
Yes, yes, yes. So good, everybody. So now I think it's like 3-5, but before no more waiting. There others can just join us a little later. Let me just introduce Get Set Up to all of you. I'm sure I can't see anybody new here, but welcome everyone back to Get Set Up. We are a platform for the seniors and by the seniors. We have some wonderful, wonderful sessions coming up. We have, in fact, another one just after this, which will be about diet and dieting. So if any one of you is interested in losing some weight or knowing what it's all about, or you can, give us some inputs, please do drop in over there. And we also have another very nice finance session coming up on Monday, 29th at 7 o'clock. So please go ahead and register on the website. Other than this, we have a whole lot of classes ranging from yoga, meditation, exercises, and dance, music, technology, and a lot of guest speakers as well coming up in April. Don't miss out on anything. Go ahead and register for all of them. I'll be putting 2 links in the chat. One is Isha will be putting it. One will be for WhatsApp and the other one Get Set Up. I'm sorry, Facebook. Please go ahead and join them in case you have not already joined, because we have sessions going live, and we also send links to all the sessions going on. So that way you don't miss out on anything. So before moving on, I would like to introduce Sabah. I'm sure most of you must be knowing her already. In fact, she just had a session just a few days back, and she just kind of took us all by storm at Get Set Up with her wonderful, wonderful, things that she had to say about us. It was so encouraging. And yes, so today is a very special session because she's doing this bouquet. It's a dry fruit bouquet, especially for her husband, because her anniversary is tomorrow. So congratulations, Sabah, and many more to come.
Thank you. Thank you.
So yeah, so this is a very so she requested me to have it done before her anniversary, because she said it's like a very expensive thing to do, and she's going to do it only once in a way. So we are here at the right place, Sabah.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, you can take over.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sabah here. As you know, I'm very sincere student of Get Set Up Forum. And today is a morning. My day started with Get Set Up morning exercise, exercise for the seniors. 9 o'clock with Anju. So yes, very good exercise and with more energetic and more hopeful. This is the way our body become very flexible. And last 2 days I'm very hectic. As morning, what I saw, my shoulder was paining. In morning, I am not able to move and do the exercise. But after attending the exercise sessions, what I saw, there is nothing. Everything is fine. So after attending all these sessions, I can say small hurdles dissolve like this only. So this is the way I am learning and achieving everything. And I can say I have reduced 1.5 kg weight and maintained my weight also. And it's toned my body. And definitely its credit goes to Anju ma'am, you. That's very much. Thank you so very much to you. Now, Binda ma'am, this is meditation. When you are talking about meditation, it's very difficult because good mind and good thoughts is required for all type of meditation, which is not cup of coffee for me. Because I am very much active person. I involve myself in 1 hour. I want to do 4 things. It's like that. No one can stop me.
Sabah, 1 second. Sabah, it's very garbled. Your audio is very garbled. Can you come a little closer, please, to the microphone? Or, yeah, just move a little bit. I
Okay.
think it's a lot of disturbance on your
How-
mic.
Hello.
Bandwidth is low, it says.
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's okay.
A little better,
Sarah?
yes. You're on mute, Sabah. You're on mute.
Hello,
Yes.
Anita. I have
Yes,
to
yes.
repeat it.
No,
I have
no,
to
it's
start?
okay. You can continue. You can continue.
Yeah, meditation. When I'm talking about meditation, it's really a good mind and good thoughts are required. for
Sabah,
a-
Sabah, 1 second. Maybe you should remove your headphone because it's very, the audio is bad.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
No.
yes.
Yeah, say something, Sabah.
Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Hello.
Continue, Sabah.
So what I'm talking.
No. Please remove your headphones. Just remove your headphones and talk without the headphones. Just keep the something near you. We cannot hear you at all.
Without headphone. Hello.
Yeah, try. Yes, better.
It's better. Okay. So now we are talking about the meditation. For meditation, we can say that a good mind and good thoughts is required. Yes, it is must. But I can say this is not my cup of coffee because I am not that type of person. I am very active person. I keep on running each after another one. Like in 1 hour, I want to complete 4 things like that. But after doing the meditation, I can say it comes in a track. My mind comes in a track. I'm feeling very calm and very quiet, and the very positive feelings are there. And what's the emptiness was there in me that Binda ma'am has filled with a bright light. Thank you, Binda ma'am. तो यहाँ पे I want to say 2 lines. किसी की संगत से अगर आपके विचार शुद्ध होते हैं, किसी की संगत से अगर आपके विचार शुद्ध होते हैं, तो समझ लेना वो कोई साधारण व्यक्ति नहीं है. He is not a simple person. He is very special. Okay, Binda ma'am, this is for you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. God bless you.
This is when I attended the session first time. It was. Can I share a moment where how I'm standing here in Get Set Up? Anita? Can I share? I'm not audible.
Mute. Anita ma'am, you are
Yes,
on
I
mute.
think she's talking on the phone. Yeah, you can share. I think she's on
Yes,
another.
Sabah, you can share, but come a little closer because still your audio is not very clear.
Okay.
Yes, that should be fine.
One day, just I'm scrolling the mobile, and the lady who was sitting in the forum in front of me and giving the smile, she is none other than Binda ma'am. Of course, of finger and say, just to listen. And that day, I have registered the session, and that day the session I have attended with the contestant. And this is the beauty of this forum. All 7 today, after this 4 months, all are present in this platform. So the guides are, it's not like that new are coming and olds are going. No, they keep them connected together. So what we get in pandemic, all are connected, keeping the distance. One is Chennai and one is in different states. They are living and doing all the exercise, meditation, singing, dancing, everything together. It's really fun. Thank you, Neil D'Souza, for your giving us such a wonderful platform. We are every day we are thankful to get set up. We are blessed to have you in our life.
Thank you, Sabha. Thank you. I think we are also so happy to have a member like you on our platform, and all your kind words really encourages us so much. Thank you very much.
For Anu Mehta, this is the forum where we are learning such a nice things like a card reading and all that, so many things. That is what we thought when I have joined the Get Setup.
You're on mute, Sabha. You're on mute.
A trial session only for 10 days or 1 week, but it's a 4 month free. Means every.
Sabha, you're on mute.
I'm very grateful and thank you everyone.
Hello, Sabha, you're going on mute every time.
They are sitting in front for listening 1 hour. That is a great job. So there is something in you also, in us also. If we are sitting and giving our precious time and you are giving your own knowledge to us. So this is not every time. If I will tell, I came 2 days back, my BP was 137, 11:30 in the morning. And Vrindavan session was going on. It's a meditation together. So I just joined the session and do 15 minutes meditation. Or after doing the meditation, I can say my BP come down to 121. This is the benefit in each and every session I am getting. And I know everyone is taking the advantages, but no one is coming out. This is the way why people are thinking why you are coming again and again in the same topic or same session. This is the reason. Every day we need this. So thank you, Get Set Up. So now I will start. Anju ma'am is there. Okay. Anita ma'am. Is now.
Yes,
Sabha.
Sabha.
Up to you. Give me 1 minute time, please.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So in the meantime, I will probably show them all the lovely things that you had sent me on WhatsApp. So I'm just going to share my screen and show you all the cute. I mean, this lady is like super talented. That's all I can say. I mean, she, did all this Get Set Up thing, and let's see what else she's done. 1 minute. Yep. So this she wrote to me saying that she has done this with her old sari and she has made a Gagra choli out of it. So I thought that was like that very nice. And Binda, she also sent me something that you had taught her in class, some kind of let me see where that is. Just a minute. This is again something that she's done. This lady is like super talented. Well, I don't know what this is from. I guess it is paper. Binda, I'm not sure if you know what it is. And these are some things that she's going to use today for this dry fruit bouquet. So she wanted me to show all of you a close-up of it, just to make sure that you all are, what is it that she's going to be using. I can see this wrapping kind of a thing, which you get sometimes on a wine bottle or something. And
yeah, she's been using tissues and paper and
something like a kind of recycling. And this is also something that she's going to use today for her bouquet. I'm not sure what she's done it with, but it looks pretty. I'm waiting to see this bouquet on the whole So yeah, so that's about it. Let's go back, and I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So till she comes back, well, she's also done a craft session before this, where she's Binda, what is it that she showed the last time in your craft class?
Okay, she showed the paper flowers with the tissue also, and with the red and blue paper, and she cut them and she showed us how to do.
Yes, and so today
And
she's
every
made
time
some.
I have the de-stressing with creativity, she shows something. Yeah,
Yes.
she's been
S-
doing something
so
or the
sh-
other, and she
I
shares
think
it with us.
Hello.
yes. Oh my God, I
Hello.
don't believe this. Wait, let me just spotlight her.
Oh my
Can
God.
everybody, can
Like
the
a
host
bride.
please spotlight her? Isha, please spotlight her. Have you spotlighted her?
Start.
Isha, have you spotlighted her? You're on mute. We
Yes,
can't hear
yes,
you.
yes. I'm
Okay,
doing.
thank you. Wow.
Wow. Oh my God, she's like one Nayi Naveli Dulhan.
Sabah? We can't hear you, Sabah.
Can't hear her. Such a sad thing today. Her network is not working.
Yeah. Yes, Sabah.
So this is the
Not
picture.
working.
This is the picture you shared, Anita.
Yes,
The
yes. I think
lehenga
she's
she made
wearing that.
out of a
Yeah.
sari.
Yeah, yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Yes, Sabah. No,
Hello,
we can't hear.
everyone. It's a
Yes.
morning, 9 o'clock. Anju's class is there, exercise session. Okay, I was late in the session, but I heard she told me you have written the dupatta. Okay, but I understood last 3 months I was attending her session. I know what she wants to say, and to that lehenga and dupatta. What dupatta is required in the exercise session? Lehenga is required for dance there. Yes, I know because Krishna's Jingle Bell, she has danced with that one. And this is not the holy special, I think. So that's why I'm wearing this dupatta and chunni and all that. Now I think holy she will not play. Okay, Madhuri Dixit song, that Chane Ke Khet Mein. She can play that song. Yes, I don't know dance, but I can do. Okay, so that's what I'm ready. Oh, today I stretching 5 minutes before. Oh, my makeup is fading. Oh my God. Oh, yeah, Anju has come. Okay, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Start with hand movement, wrist, Sabah. Sabah is behind the camera. Okay, always, as always. So everyone is doing. Anjuman 1, 2, and Sabah is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, done. Anjuman का चल रहा है 3, 4. Okay. And next step is mudra. Yes, this Bharatnatyam mudra. So this. Okay, Bharatnatyam is, but no song. Only action you have to show. Bharatnatyam is over without song. Now, this is the hold both the hand like this and finger and make like a fun. Okay, how the Sridevi has done in Nagin. Okay, it's a Nagin song. Okay, my God. Okay, I'll put my white dupatta and not this chicken and get ready. Without song, she will be. She's counting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 100. Turn to the left, turn to the right, turn to the front. Okay. Now, this is not good without playing song. I have to do so much on the camera. Sabah, man, please play the song now. Sabah, what is this? What a time you made. It's an exercise session. You don't wear the dupatta and come to I. Holi, so I wear the lehenga also. What dupatta is used in exercise? So I have dressed up a little jewelry. I have get up like this. We will enjoy the Holi. Ma'am, please you play the song. No, Sabah, no. Someone is telling behind. Miss, I'm not Miss. I'm Mrs. Don't call me. Okay. Someone is telling me. Okay. My shoulder is frozen. Can you tell me some exercise for that? I'm not a doctor. Then what to call? Teacher? No, teacher. I'm not teaching you here. We are the guide. Guide. Oh my God. It's great. Guide. Now so we will know. I know. Oh my God. Actually, miss, what happened? Oh, no, miss. Okay. Okay, ma'am, what happened? In pandemic, I have not paid the fees of the school. And my teacher told me कि Taj Mahal is in Delhi. I don't know Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Miss told you first you pay the fees until the Taj Mahal will be in Delhi only. Okay, now you are a guide, now you have a good knowledge. Now you take us to the Delhi or Agra. Because guide is a good knowledge of historical places. They explain everything. Now we are ready. Even I am ready. I know. Rhoda is also ready. She is staying in Chennai. Her bag is packed. So even my bag is packed. Tell me when we have to go. And all my old friends on Get Set Up are ready. Okay? No Sabha and pandemic is stay home, stay safe. Okay, that's all. Binda mein.
Yes, I'm listening.
Binda mein. Sabha. What Sabha? Every time your finger is up, you are not doing anything. Keep this finger on your lips and go back side of the class and stand in a corner. When you are punishing me, yes, now I'm strict. Very lenient. That day I know network is not working, Mandala class. Just I showed the screen or you have taken the screenshot. I know very well. You are very clever. Eh? And you are doing, everyone is asking, anyone is taking the screenshot? You have not told it. So everyone is telling, just you share it if anyone has taken. Ma'am, I was thinking it's a competition. So I will complete is anyhow I stood first in the class. That's the reason. Why should I tell to everyone? Yeah, I've taken, otherwise everyone is giving the number. Please share the picture and all that. So, but you have not completed Peacock, no Sabha. So first you complete your homework, then you come in my class. Oh my God. Now, so ma'am. Ma'am, today I have completed my homework in your class. Please let me sit in front bench. I have completed your peacock in my way. Okay? Just look at this. This is the my peacock.
That's
Vrindavan.
nice. I think now we're all waiting for the dry fruit bouquet. This is looking very pretty.
Yes, absolutely.
We now, wow, that's nice. So now the bouquet should come now.
Okay.
Can't
In your class, can get it, Vrindavan.
Can't hear anything.
sorry. I would just like to request Isha to make Anju the co-host, please.
Okay. One
Yeah.
second.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, so Sabah's back on. Sabah, it's a little too dark. Yeah, thank you. That's better.
And later, just open. See, this G, this S, and this U. Get set up. This
Thank
G, red one, this black one is S, and this red one is U. Okay?
Yes.
And here is the chutney. Yay! This is all my friends Get Set Up Forum.
You
Okay.
said you have some special recipe for that. What is the special recipe, Sabah?
because it's too much work here. You said it's okay.
Yes. The camera is not. Yeah. Yes.
Yes. And so first, I'm making dry fruit bouquet. First, थोड़ा डाउन और ये देखना चाहिए हाँ this is okay. This is dry fruit which I'm going to pair. First,
Okay.
I will take this. First, I have to pack this dates. Okay. For that, you have to take this chocolate wrapping paper. Just you have to wrap it like this in chocolate wrapping paper. And then this is glue I'm using. You have to insert this part. Remove this and insert it like this. Okay. And now have to take this gelatin paper, and keep it in this way, and then cover it like this, and you have to tie it. You can tie it with the thread also, and I have a chocolate twister tire. This is the chocolate twist tire. This you will get in a market where you will get all the stationery shop you will get. Just you have to twist it like this. This dates is ready. And now I have to pack dry fruits. I have packed already apricot. Is visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So this way I have already packed this almond. Okay. I will show. You can pack is any packet. It's not necessary what you have. This I have at home, so that I have used. You can, but you have not to fill at least full. Means 12, 13 pieces is enough because wait. See, I am filling the cashew in this and just tighten it like this. Again, take this screw and put it in this. But this time, remember, this point should be out. This point should be in, the blunt one. Like this. Again, you have to, means you have to hold it tightly here, and again you have to tie it. Tightly you have to hold and tie it. You have to tie it from top. See, and then you have to pull it like this. And now I this I have made. See what material I have used here. This is the apple cover. You will get in just a fiber net. Understood? This I am using. So you have to take this and you have to cut. If a big one, you have to cut in a 3 part, or if you have a small one, then a small one, you have to cut into 2 part only. And this leaves I have made out of sweet box. What sweet box we are getting in from the market, inside you will get this type of, that I have cleaned with the sanitizer and I have cut it in the leaf shape. So whatever material you will have at home, try to use it, and you will get definitely it will come in different ways. So I will tell you how to make this flower. You have to cut it into like this. Means like 2 in 1. It will take 3 part is required in 1 flower. This point, we have to start from this point. We have to take this tape, both the sides. This tape I have to take. Both the side is a glue. You cut it from here, make it like this. And little you have to stick this because it should be stuck on the point only. That's why we need little tape. 1 inch only. Only 1 inch. And rest of the, I have to use Fevicol. See. This side Fevicol I have removed in a bowl because it's easy to use. You apply it like this. Now you have to fold it. Just you fold it like this and take it down. You have to tie it because it will not stop or stuck. I'm tying with the thread only. Or you can use the cello tape also. That's done. And another piece I have to take. Same way we have to do. Yes, apply the Fevicol down and then roll it again from where it is end. From there you have to start it again. And then tie it again. And take one more piece. In 1, 3 is required.
Sabha, you're frozen, I think. Your screen is frozen.
I think she's facing network issues again.
Okay. Sabha, can you hear us?
Ma'am,
It looks like she's having major issues with the.
yes, she'll get back in a while.
Yeah, she'll come back. What I would have done, I would have taken some sticks, these sticks, skewers. I would have put thread around it, golden, silver, colorful, you get those embroidery threads. There's so much of trouble with the white stuff. She's back. Yes, Sabha.
Ma'am, you're on mute. Sabha, ma'am, you're on mute.
No, no, I'm not mute. Now it's okay. The third one I'm
We can
rolling
hear
down.
you, Sabha, but we cannot see you moving. It's very slow. Okay. We saw that the third one is also up now. Good.
Sabha, your video is still frozen.
Sabha, your video is frozen, Sabha. Hello?
Anju, which stick she is using for wrap up? She was showing some sticks.
Yeah, those are the skewers you get, when you make those kebabs and all, na? When you make
Barbecue sticks.
Okay,
paneer
okay.
and all in it. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So those are the long, these
Thank
are the
you.
long skewers. You get short, small ones also.
Small one. Thank you very much.
I guess she's having some problem with her network. So in the meantime, we have some other good cooks as well over here. Like I can see Sarita, Anju, who who have done some regular sessions for us before. Lovely ones.
I can, she's back.
Yeah, she's back. Okay.
The picture is not coming in mine.
I'm not visible.
Yeah, now you're visible. You're visible.
It's getting frozen. Okay. Network ही नहीं आ रहा है ज़्यादा।
Isha, please make me host.
You are the host for now.
Anita,
I wanted you to make me the co-host.
Okay, you can leave for the next session. I think her video has gone off again. Sabha?
No, she's there.
yeah,
Okay, yeah.
hello.
Yeah. Okay. We can see you. Okay, I'm spotlighting you for everybody. Sabha, yeah, you can continue.
Yes, I will do very fast now.
But your
Now
face
I
is
have
not
put all
coming.
the links like this.
Yeah, your video is also frozen.
I think in your all the programs, this network problem is all the time there. In some other programs also, in some other.
But in Anju's program, then the network problem is never there. Never. I have attended 3-4 sessions. It was not there.
One over.
It depends on which network you're using. So
Yes,
what
yes,
sometimes
maybe.
on the cell phones it keeps going and coming back. And if you're using an iPad, Wi-Fi, it keeps going and coming back. But if you need a strong fiber cable, something like Reliance Jio and all that.
I'm using Reliance only.
So those are stronger networks.
Your
Yeah.
video is
Where we
still
can
not
do a
on,
lot of
Sabha.
work. We can do a lot
Hello.
of work, office work, everything, meetings. So that is more reliable.
She has come
Yes,
now.
she's back.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Oh my God. Not visible, Aran. They can't see you? No? Anju ji?
We can see you, Sabha. We can see you.
Well, we can see you.
Okay. Now I will start. It's visible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's
Mike.
visible.
Okay. Okay, then. This is completed. Now I have to add these leaves. See. And you have to tie it with this thread.
So, but these are on only one stick you're doing, or you added multiple sticks?
Yes, yes.
I
now
think she
I
has
have
added something.
Yes, now already I have completed all this. So I will assemble how to assemble all this.
Something
First,
is
I have
missing it here.
basket, this basket, and this flower I have made with tissue paper. That I will tell you afterward. First, let me assemble. And this I have taken with water. I have to dip in full bucket of water and remove it. Now it become heavy. Otherwise, it's very light. You cannot hold the weight of this dry fruit. So this way, first I have to stand by all this dry fruit first.
That's very clever, Sabha. Clever idea.
I put lot of effort in this. So it's not visible. No, I will not touch the mobile. Let me complete it.
We can make out
This
how
is
much
the-
effort has gone into it.
This is anniversary. I have to do
How many years, Sabha?
36 years.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congrats, congrats. May you have many, many,
Congrats.
many, many more.
More years to
Reach
come.
50, reach 70.
Okay. See this I have, which I will put it in back to give the height in the middle. And this flower which I have made with cloth. See, this I will stick here. It's a rose flower. I made it with fabric.
Very beautiful. Is this a surprise for your husband?
Nahi, full day I'm doing no surprise. Yes. And this flower I have made with tissue, that crepe paper.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See.
You're very talented.
Very talented.
Beautiful.
That I will show in my last video. It's a crepe. And this I have made 36 that will stick on my cake. Okay.
Okay. Lovely,
Now who's
lovely.
baking the cake? Are you baking the cake?
Yes, yes. Or Zara will do. And this I have made with the glue. Hot glue say I have made it and color it silver.
Silver.
Okay.
Glue. You mean it's made
Lovely.
of glue?
Yes.
Wow.
And any glaze paper you have to use the glue and it will come out like this way. So many things keep on adding.
He will take whole day to eat it.
He will have
That's
to
really
remove it
good.
first. It will take a day to remove it.
But it's really beautiful. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, lovely.
Lovely.
And
Lovely,
this flower
Lovely.
I have made with ribbons, white ribbon.
Ribbons. Yeah. Fold it and then fold it. Okay.
Yes, yes. Fold and just cut it and twist it.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
simple and easy, but now you can see.
It's beautiful like you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's so lovely.
So
Sabha.
lovely.
So
My mouth is
lovely.
watering. For dry fruits only.
Wow.
Very nice.
The presentation is too good.
Very too good. Excellent.
So can you
Excellent.
now give this to your husband? We'd like to see his expression.
Just call him.
Yes, call him and give it to him if he's there.
No. That is after 12 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I have to do so much in this.
Okay.
Still
Still.
do so much
So some more
27th March.
because I want to add
You.
more dry fruits.
Sabha, what is your husband giving you?
correct.
Nah,
Bindas
that's the
put the
more
same
important.
question there.
Is it a surprise?
No, it's not surprise. We are staying in a house.
No,
A
what
full
is
day.
he give? What is the husband
Yeah, I'm
giving you?
making the flower and all that.
Yeah, but
The
what is
husband
he giving you,
It's not a
Sabha?
one
I'm
day
asking.
task. It's a 1 week task. Now, one more thing. This flower, I can show you how I have made.
Yes.
It's very simple and very easy. This
Okay.
I will show. Network is it's okay. So actually, my theme is I'm going to wear this dress on my anniversary. My theme is copper and white. So that's why this dress is my. Yeah, this dress.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow. Oh,
Too good.
what are you, some
This
magic
dress
woman? Where do you
I
find
have
the
made
time for
out
all
of
this?
My old saree.
Mhm.
And this latkan I have made with bracelet, old bracelet. Even this I have made with tennis ball. It's not ready-made. Nothing is ready-made here. So
Okay.
see so many ball I have hang it. It's an old sari, but dress is new. So it's a gown.
So you mean to say,
Full.
Sabha, did you stitch this on your own? Did you stitch it?
Yes, I'm very good in this. Very
Oh my
perfect.
God.
I'm making my dress now. Anyone else?
But you
Wow.
are in Bombay, we are in Delhi. How can you can help us? I am in Delhi, you are in Bombay. Will be a difficult task.
Where are you in Bombay, Sabha?
We can courier it. This is nice. Very nice. Color is very good.
What
So
you're telling,
Sabha,
Anji?
Sabha,
And you
you
tell her
cook,
that
you stitch, you do craft, I mean, is there anything else left, yaar? I mean, this is not fair. Looks like, you know, you've got all the talent.
In one sari, I have made one gown. This is the pallu I have used, and this is the border which I have used in neck and waist.
Oh, okay.
And left of the part of the sari, I have made 2 kurtis, and that is also designer kurti. It will
Sure.
Show,
but
show
it's
it.
not here.
Show,
I have
show.
removed, I have showed my all the dresses of my dresses only. All heavy dresses I am making. This one also I made with the sari. It's all in one sari. I remove one gown and one kurti easily. If you give the tailor, tailor will not do. So this is the way I am celebrating my anniversary. I want to share it. Okay, this is what, but because all this thing is taking so much time and trouble, so I want to share with my friends. Okay, this is the way I can do something without paying even a single penny. Whatever the material we have at home, we can use it. It will come out very differently. Either dress,
Sabha, can you
either
teach us that
craft work,
flower?
either.
Can you teach us that
Yes.
flower? White flower?
Yes.
How to do it?
Yes,
Please.
see one. Actually, I have made many flowers because I have to decorate the wall. This is 12 flower I have made.
Okay.
White and golden.
Okay.
Yes. So this is the paper. It's a kite paper. This is a kite paper. Simple. Just I open. I have taken the 7 layer of it. Same size. Just you
Okay.
fold it. Are you wanting to is left? My heart. Oh my God! This I have made.
This is heart.
Okay. Yes. And I will show you how much. Only 15 rupees may it get ready. Only 15 rupees. It's so pretty. Amazon ka box I have used and just cover it with the chart paper and I will show you. See, this is the kite paper. This one sheet will come in 15 pieces. Take one sheet and just fold it like this, and cut it. Till and it will come till like this. Fold it again. Fold and cut it. It will come this. Then it will come next 1.5 inch and 2 inch. It will come rectangle shape like this.
Sabha, your video is frozen, Sabha.
Oh my God. Sarah, it's frozen. हाँ वही वो बोल रहे हैं ना.
Yeah, I think it has come back now, but it's not clear. Say something, Sabha.
Yes, it's. Anita, it's from my side. It's okay.
Okay, no, from here we cannot. Now it's fine. Now your video is fine. Yeah.
Okay.
It's going off and coming.
Rectangle, this rectangle paper and this pencil backside you have to take and keep it like this and just twist it. Just you twist it like this. Twist and put the Fevicol. This actually this much space I left for you. I will show how I have done it. This much and just you place it like this. And so pretty. I will show once more. Paper, keep the bottom part and twist it.
No, your videos again frozen.
Oh my God.
Hello, Sabha.
this. I don't know what's the problem, but it's from my side, it's okay.
No, we are not able to see. I mean, from our side, the screen is like frozen.
Next time we should log in on the laptop only.
Yeah, I think that would be better actually. So yeah, yeah, now you've come on. Yeah, you can complete that little bit.
Yes, another I have put. See, in one sheet is enough for this much big one. Just you have to take this, or it's not necessary it's rectangle or circle. Just you have to put the pencil and twist it. That's all. And keep it the Fevicol, dip in the Fevicol. And place it. Where is empty space, just you press with and remove the.
On what are you sticking it? What is the base?
I have.
Hello? What is the base on which you are sticking?
It's a
Hello. I think her video is like quite bad. So anyways, I think we will close the session for now.